So hey guys, today let us see how to use the array command and create an array of this small circle inside this large circle. So let's get started. So first, for we type the array command by typing it as array and then we select array polar. Okay, now it has given to select the objects. Since we need to create an array using this small circle, we select this and then click enter. Now we have to specify the center point of the array. So obviously we should not select the center of this circle. Otherwise the array will come like this. Since we want it to come at the exact middle of the larger circle, we trace it here and then we click it here. That's it. We have got our very own array polar. And then press enter again. Now that's it. We have now created an array of this small circle.